Yes, students, today we'll practice the word-to-word meaning slokas. From Chitrapata Darsanam lesson, we have word-to-word meaning slokas. So, in the main question paper, they'll give total 10 slokas, sorry, 2 slokas. So, you have to attempt only one. Okay. So these 10 slokas are coming from only one lesson, that is the Chitrapata Darsanam. So written by Chitrapata Darsanam is written by who? Who wrote Chitrapata Darsanam? Who is the writer?
Bhavabhuti.
Yes. When you are writing the sloka, Nana, first copy the sloka and after that you write 1-2 lines of the Kavi Parichayam. Only 2 lines. This sloka is taken from that lesson. So, Chitrapata Darsanam written by Bhavabhuti. It is extract from the third chapter of the first chapter of the Uttar Ramacharitam. That 2 lines is enough. Already I given in the essay. That's why I didn't mention here. So otherwise, we'll do one thing. I'll give that information also. That only Kavi Parichayam also I'll give here. We'll copy from the annotation or somewhere and I'll add that one. So we'll, with the Kavi Parichayam, first you need to copy the sloka and write the introduction of the sloka. Introduction means which lesson and who is the writer, that one. This lesson in the sense, this sloka I can read, written by Bhavabhuti. These lines are enough for us. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Please come in here. Okay. Anyway, I'll post here. అది తీసుకోవటం లేదు ఎందుకు అక్కడ కర్సర్. Sorry, this is a PDF format, Nana. Will not happen. Okay. This sloka Kim Tvam Anusthana Nityatvam Swatantriyamapakashyati Sankatahyahita Gnenam Pratyavayaiha Gruhastata. This is the sloka. So, Padavibhagam. Please repeat, students. When we are doing the Padavibhagam, you are putting the commas. Repeat once. Kintu.
किन्तु
Anusthana.
अनुष्ठानः
Nityatvam.
नित्यत्वं
Swatantyam.
स्वातन्त्र्यम्
Apakarshati.
अपकर्षति
Sankata.
सङ्कटा
Hi.
हि
Ahita.
आहिता
Agnenam.
घीनाम्
Agnenam.
अग्नीनां
Pratyavayaihi.
प्रत्यवायैः
Gruhasthata.
गृहस्तथा.
So, I am repeating, read carefully once. Kintu Anusthana Nityatvam Swatantriyam Apakarshati Sankatahi Ahitagnenam Pratyavayaihi Gruhasthata. So, that Anvaya Kramam when you are writing without commas, we can write here because almost the same order only we will follow in the Pratipadartham. So that's why So once write the sloka, then give the Kavi Parichayam and write Padavibhagam, put the commas and divide the word. See, in the sloka itself observe Kim, Tvam, Anusthana, Nityatvam, Swatantriyam, Apakarshati, Sankata, Ahita, Agninam, Pratyavayehi, Gruhastata. Yeah. Okay. So after that, word to word meaning and bhava. Clear, students? First slokam is clear for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now we'll go to the second sloka. So Visvambhara Bhagavatim Bhavatim Asuta Raja Prajapati Samo Janakaha Pitate Tesham Vadhuttvamasi Nandini Parthivanam Yesham Kuleshu Savita Cha Gururvayam Cha. This is the sloka. So Padavibhagam. Once I'll read, then I'll told to repeat you people. Visvambhara, Bhagavati, Bhavati, Asuta, Raja, Prajapati Samaha, Janakaha, Pita, Te, Tesham, Vaduhu, Tvam, Asi, Nandini, Parthivanam, Yesham, Kuleshu, Savitacha, Guru, Vayam Cha. Yes. Repeat once, students. Visvambhara,
Vishwambhara,
Bhagavati,
Bhagavati,
Bhavatim,
Bhavatim,
Asuta,
Asutha,
Raja,
Raja,
Prajapati Samaha,
Prajapati Samaha,
Janakaha,
Janakaha,
Pita,
Pita,
Te,
Te,
Tesham,
Tesham,
Vaduhu,
Vaduhu,
Tvam,
Tvam,
Asi,
Asi,
Nandini,
Nandini,
Parthivanam,
Parthivanam,
Yesham,
Yesham,
Kuleshu,
Kuleshu,
Savitacha,
Savitacha,
Guru,
Guru,
Vayam Cha.
Vayam Cha.
So first sloka, what is that sloka? First sloka, Rama is saying this sloka to Sita. Here's the second sloka. So that who came from the ashramam, that Vasishtha Mahamuni ashram, that Ashtavakra Muni is saying this sloka to Sita Devi, about the Sita Devi. Okay. Visvambhara, Bhagavati, Bhavatim, Asuta, Raja, Prajapati Samaha, Janakaha, Pita, Te, Tesham, Vaduhu, Tvam, Asi, Nandini, Parthivanam, Yesham, Kuleshu, Savitacha, Guru, Vayam Cha. Okay, so after Padavibhagam, same thing, you remove the commas and write the Anvayakramam. That same words you write here, so that Visvambhara, Bhagavati, each and every meaning write in English, then you write the Bhava. Okay, now third sloka. Third sloka means Sri Rama is giving the answer. Okay. लौकिकानां हि साधूनामर्थं वागनुवर्धते ऋषीणां पुनरायानां वाचमर्थो अनुधावति. Okay, so लौकिकानां हि साधूनां वाक् अनुवर्तते ऋषीणां पुनः आध्यानां वाचम अर्थम अनुधावति. Repeat once, students. लौकिकानां
Laukikanam,
हि साधूनां
Sadhunam,
वाक्
Vak,
अनुवर्तते
Anuvartate,
ऋषीणां
Rushinam,
पुनः
Punaha,
आध्यानां
Adhyanam,
वाचम्
Vacham,
अर्थम्
Artham,
अनुधावति.
Anudhavati.
Very good. So now this sloka Rama is giving reply to the Maharshi. Now next fourth slokam again Ashtavakra Maharshi is saying this sloka. See, Jamaturyajnena vayam निरुद्धास्त्वं बाल एवासि नवं च राज्यं युक्तः प्रजानामनुरञ्जनेन स्यास्तस्माध्यासो यत्परमं धनं महा. See, here जामातु यज्ञेन वयं निरुद्धाः त्वं बालः एव प्लस असि नवं च राज्यं युक्तः प्रजानाम् अनुरञ्जने स्याः तस्मात् यशः यत् परमं धनं वः. So like this, each word we have to divide, put the commas and divide the words. So that is called Padavibhagam. So again, same Padavibhagam without commas, you write word wise. That is called Anvaya Kramam. Anvaya Kramam in the sense that is the prose order. Whatever order we are writing the Pratipadartha, that order only we are mentioning here. Okay. Now please repeat the Padavibhagam, students, once. जामातुर्यज्ञेन वयं निरुद्धाः त्वं बालः एव प्लस असि नवं च राज्यं युक्तः प्रजानाम् अनुरञ्जने स्याः तस्मात् यशः यत् परमं धनं वः. Yes. So again, see, one sloka Rama is saying, and second sloka that Maharshi is asking about in giving information about the Sita. Third slokam again Rama is giving the answer. Again fourth slokam the Astavakra is saying. Again fifth slokam Rama is giving the answer. See, students. स्नेहं दया च सौख्यं च यदि वा जानकीमपि आराधनाय लोकस्य मुञ्जते नास्ति मे व्यथा. So when he is asking that one, Balancha Rajyam, now you are the new king, you are take up this kingdom as a leader, new. So you have to see the welfare of the people like that. When he is asking, he is saying that one, Rama is giving the answer. स्नेहं दया च सौख्यं च यदि वा जानकीमपि आराधनाय लोकस्य मुञ्जते नास्ति मे व्यथा. I never fail to leave my wife also, that my friendship or my this wealth and happiness, everything I left for my people, my society, like that. That Sri Rama is giving the answer. See, repeat, students, this one. Sneham दयां च सौख्यं च यदि वा जानकी अपि आराधनाय लोकस्य मुञ्जतः न अस्ति मे व्यथा. Very good. I am repeating once. Sneham dayam cha saukyam cha yadi va janaki api आराधनाय लोकस्य मुञ्चतः न अस्ति मे व्यथा. So same thing again, Anvaya Kramam, then Pratipadartham, then Bhavam we should write. Then again sixth this one. Utpapte pariputayaah kimasyaah pavanantaraihi तीर्थोदकं च वह्निश्च नान्यतः सुद्धिमर्हता. So after this sloka, it is into that our lesson name. What is there? Chitrapata Darsanam. So in that Chitrapata Darsanam sloka, this one. So before the 5 slokas, that is the only the introduction. that person, Maharshi came to meet this Sita and Rama is inquiring about the Sita, how she is feeling, and after that he is offering to that all the this one to the Guru, and that discussion after Guru went, then Sita and Rama went to the Sita's Chitrapatas. That time again this sloka. Okay. उत्पत्ति परिपूतयाः किम् अस्याः पावनान्तरैः तीर्थोदकं पावनान्तरः तीर्थोदकं वह्निः च न अन्यतः शुद्धिम् अर्हता. Okay, repeat students. उत्पत्ति परिपूतयाः
उत्पत्ति परिपूतयाः
किम् अस्याः
किम् अस्याः
पावनान्तरैः तीर्थोदकं here two times it came pavanantaram tirthodakam live vahninah cha na anyatah shuddhim arhatah. Yes. Now next one, seventh slokam. So seventh slokam is little bit important, students, because so in this sloka, this Rama is explaining about the astrani, Divyasra's information he is giving in this sloka. Okay, see. Brahmadayo brahmahitaya tatva parasahastram saradam tapamse etanyad darsayan guravaha puranaha swanyeva tejamsi tapomavani. So here Brahmadayaha, Brahmahitani or Brahma and all. So these Maharshis are thousands of years they did the tapasya for this astrani. So they gave to me this astrani to kill the Rakshasa. So that much great power having this astrani. Like that Sri Rama is explaining about the astrani to Sita Devi. That is the sloka, this one. Okay. Yes. Repeat once, students. Brahmadayaha Brahmahitaya Tatva Parasahastam Saradam Tapamsi Etani Apasyan Guravaha Puranaha Swani Eva Tejamsi Tapomayani. Yeah, this sloka is practiced and perfectly, students, for final exam. Okay. Now eighth one. So eighth one again is about the Vasishtha Maharshi, Gautama Maharshi and Jatananda, Janaka, all the Viswamitras. This Maharshis information is giving here. Sambandhino Vasishtadinesha Tatasvavarchati Gautamascha Satanando Janakanam Purohitaha. So here was the Purohita, Satananda Maharshi and Gautama Maharshi and all. That information is giving to the Sri Rama here. Now, Sambandhinaha Vasishtadina Eshaha Tataha Tava Archati Gautamaha Cha Satananda Janakanam Purohitaha. Repeat once, students. Sambandhinaha Vasishtadina Eshaha Tataha Tava Archati Gautamaha Cha Satananda Janakanam Purohitaha. Okay, same thing. Padavibhagam, Anvayakramam, word to word meaning Pratipadartham and Bhavam you are going to write in the exam. Now, ninth question. So same thing. Sri Rama is saying this one to Janaki explaining. Raghunam Janakanam Raghunam cha sambandha kasyana priyaha yatra data gruhita cha swayam kusikanandaha. So about that relation, about the marriage scene they are saying and they are discussing this one. Okay, repeat once students, because this is very sloka, very easy sloka. That's why I told to directly repeat. Janakanam
जनकानां
Raghunam cha
रघूनां च
sambandha
सम्बन्धः
kasya
कस्य
na priyaha
न प्रियः
yatra
यत्र
data
दाता
gruhita cha
गृहीता च
swayam
स्वयं
kusikanandanaha.
खुशिकानन्दः.
Same Padavibhagam, again Anvayakramam, again word to word meaning, Pratipadartham, again Bhavam. So that order only. So in this each sloka I didn't give any Kavi Parichayam, but when you are writing the sloka, you need to write Kavi Parichayam also. Okay, now 10th one. Jivatsu Tatapadeshu Nutane Dhara Sangrahe Madhur Visityamananam Tehino Divasagataha. So here again Sri Rama is saying this sloka. So Sri Rama is saying about when he newly married and he came to Ayodhya Nagaram. So what is the condition, how he take the blessings from elders and all. So that feeling he is expressing in this sloka. Okay. Repeat once students, repeat. Jivatsu
जीवत्सु
Tatapadeshu
तातपादेषु
Nutane
नूतने
Dhara Sangrahe
धारसङ्ग्रहे
Matrubihi
मातृभिः
Cha
च
Anyamananam
अन्यमानानां
Tehi
तेहि
Naha
नः
Divasaha
दिवसाः
Gataha.
गताः.
Okay, so same thing. Slokam and Kavi Parichayam and Padavibhagam and Anvayakramam and word to word meaning and Bhavam you should write. Okay, is it clear students? I think all 10 slokas we completed. All the best to your main exam.